how did this guy, who I think was basically on the level and really did at least try to pose a stopping block to the globalism program, how did he ever get elected? How'd they let him through?
Well, he was a little bit of a wild card. Right? Trump is not as easily controlled as some of them are. So he stood up there and he spoke his mind. He's got good instincts in that respect because what he said resonates with what is in the minds of a lot of American citizens. We want to have our own country. We want America to have first. We don't want our borders to be open. We don't want millions of third world migrants coming here every year and displacing us from our own territory. I mean, and Trump actually, he did a good job of enunciating that. That's how he got elected, okay? And the first time around, you know, they weren't prepared.
Yeah.
You know, so they couldn't do anything about it the second time around. Yeah.
Are you suggesting, Chris, that there were some questions about the 2020 presidential election?
Anyone who doesn't understand that election was, shall we say, not quite up to snuff, is some kind of moron.
Because I was told by all the fact checkers and all the social media censors that if I raised any question, I said, you know, it seems like they kind of violated the law in Pennsylvania, and it seems like actually they kind of extended the voting periods. They said that's crazy. You're a conspiracy theorist. How dare you?
Well, that's exactly what they do. You see, you've violated groupthink, so you're out. Your opinion means nothing.